Hello everyone, my name is Josh Simpson, the Veteran CPA, and our today's Back on Track episode is Pause for Gratitude. In business, you're going to take many punches. It doesn't matter how hard you work, how skilled you are, you're going to have clients that are going to complain, they're going to reject you buying your goods and services, and sometimes they're not going to pay your invoices. It can be easy to get your mind stuck on these bad situations and forget about the many more great client situations. As a CPA and entrepreneur, I love helping people grow their business and reduce financial risks. It can be scary when you don't know accounting and taxes, but we got your back. See the link below to set up a free 30-minute consultation where we'll help your business with accounting and taxes. The purpose of this channel is to help business owners succeed financially. We want to help you develop the best accounting, tax, and business practices to grow your business and reduce financial risk. Remember, what is tracked grows. Too many business owners have books that are a mess, have high IRS issues. We want to help you prevent these things. Remember, click the subscribe button and feel free to post any comments on topics you'd like to hear about. Here are 3 ways to pause for gratitude and get your attitude back on track. Number 1, make a gratitude list. Get a pen and paper and write down all the good things going on with your business. This could be your top favorite clients that don't complain and pay your invoices, a great employee that's been there from the beginning, or maybe your sales has went up from $250,000 to $500,000 the next year. Way to go. Number 2, give back professionally or financially. This could be giving a bonus to your favorite employee that's been with you the whole way, or giving to a nonprofit. One of the things that makes me feel best when I'm struggling in business is our Local Warrior Award. We find a local combat veteran, we give them a $500 award, we have a ceremony and give them a plaque for their appreciation. This has given me purpose when things have gotten hard. Pro bono work. I know we have worked hard and we have great skills and abilities, but I must remind myself, those abilities were given to me from the big man upstairs. I must do my best when my business is profitable to help others in need. Maybe they can't afford accounting and tax services, so doing this pro bono work helps me get back on track and have a better attitude. Number 3, let the creative juices flow and focus on the areas of business you love. Business can get mundane if you let it. I know many times I've spent most of my day just clearing emails and sending clients invoices. After a while, you get pretty tired and worn out. But when I focus on growing a YouTube channel, building our brand, writing blogs, and coaching our clients on how to grow their business, that gives me purpose and gets me out of bed in the morning. Thank you for watching our channel and supporting this veteran-owned business. Please see the link below to set up a free 30-minute accounting tax consultation. And please click the subscribe button so we can help you stay on track and grow your business for many years to come.